I must bow to Indian women for that. The way they are humble, the way they are chaste, one has to learn. Of course, there are many who are not also, but the humility that they have. There is only one category we should not have humility. That is the incarnations. I cannot have humility. Sorry to say. There are certain qualities you can have and enjoy and cherish. I cannot have. I cannot humble down myself. Cannot do it. I'm sorry. Not supposed to do it. No incarnation was humble. They cannot. Because they have no guilt. I have put so many guilty people in my left Vishuddhi that my ears are getting blocked, trying to clear them out. If you can clear out your guilt, my ears will be opened up. My trouble will go away. So please, I request you to keep your left Vishuddhi all right. Don't feel guilty. Be in the center. Be in the center. Watch yourself and face yourself. Shock yourself. Correct yourself. Only such people will ascend. Another way is meditation. With your left hand towards the photograph, with the light there, right hand on the Mother Earth, you can work it out. Put the light over here, give a bandhan to your left Vishuddhi, you can work it out. But these become rituals if you do not do it from your heart. So first of all, face it. Mentally face it fully, then do it with these things. Emotionally understand it also, that the emotions you have should have no guilt in it. So for all our practical purposes, we are not to use all such words which shows our guilt, but humility. Humility is very different from a guilty person. Guilty person is the person who is under duress, under pressures, but a humble person is a free person. He is humble in his own freedom, in his own exuberance. Like the trees, when they are loaded with fruit, they just bow to the Mother Earth. Like if you go to the sea, you will find that all the trees around the sea, especially the coconut trees, all bend towards the sea. Because the sea has given them that speciality. The water that is in the coconut comes from the sea. So all of them have that respect, that humility towards the sea. In the same way, a person who is not guilty only will be really humble, because guilty people, as I told you, are aggressive by their sarcasm, by their nasty words, by their answering back, by their explanations. But a humble person is a free person, free to be humble, free to be kindly, to be gentle, to be compassionate. And that sort of Sahajogis you have to be, so that when people meet you, they are impressed by your humility. But humility doesn't have any subservience, innocence and humility. I lack that quality completely. I cannot be humble. And you should never try to humble me down, because that is not to be done. But nobody can say in my behavior when they meet me that I am not humble. I act as a very humble person. I can act as a very humble person, but to be very frank, I have no humility of any kind within me. No humility. Compassion is very different from humility. Humility is a human quality, is a special quality only the bhaktas have. Only the bhaktas have. It's such a beautiful quality of taking the showers of bliss. The one who gives bliss cannot be humble, because it cannot take anything. It's the only human beings who are humble and who can take it and achieve it and receive it. And a person who cannot take is so lonely, so lonely. Such a person cannot get companionship with anyone because it has to give and give and give. It's so lonely and has to face everything oneself. Those who are humble can only become friendly with each other, can share their problems with each other. I cannot, because you have no solutions. I have to solve my own problem. So the humility can only help you to articulate and to have rapport with your friends, everyone. Share your difficulties. But again, I have to warn you, because it always happens. Your humility should not be sympathetic. Humility is a detached person. It's a detached quality. It's not a quality that gets attached to one person or second person. It's a humble style of life where you are not arrogant unnecessarily, you don't shout at people. But in India, we say the cow is a very humble animal. It gives its milk. It provides everything. It doesn't attack it. So humility is such a guard for you. Of course, sometimes people take advantage of humble people. It doesn't matter. As long as you have not lost your humility, everything is all right. But people lose their humility. When people try to trouble them, they become left Vishuddhites, and then they lose their humility. And that's one thing one should not lose. Because if you have to keep connection with the divine, then you have to be humble. There's no other way. If you are not a humble person, you cannot keep the relationship. See, two qualities, like a plug and a socket. The plug has to be the plug, the socket has to be socket. In the same way, if you have to get something out of the divine, you have to be humble people. Through arrogance, you will not get anything. Through aggression, you will not get anything. Through anything, some people also feel that I love mother, but that love is to be expressed through complete humility. That's the only way, that's the only channel through which you can approach me. There's no way out. So we end up today on a very high stage. It's the beginning of God's realization. But you must speed up with me. It's not easy to keep speed with me. So you have to speed up with me. If you have to go towards God's realization, first establish your sense of chastity and humility. May God bless you. So we end up today on a very high stage. It's the beginning of God's realization. But you must speed up with me. It's not easy to keep speed with me. So you have to speed up with me. If you have to go towards God's realization, first establish your sense of chastity and humility. May God bless you. So now we start our puja. You can wash my feet if you want. But Ganesh Puja has to be there. One Ganesh Stotra. Now for this you have to judge yourself. You have to judge yourself, not to accept guilt, but to judge yourself. Am I a very forward type of a person? Do I go forward all the time? Do I sit all the time before everybody else? Do I try to be arrogant to mother? Do I say no to mother? Do I behave like... see all these points within yourself. It's not for others, it's for you to see how far I go. Am I presumptuous? Am I bumptious? Am I do things which I should not have done? Like that, you go on into this thing. These are symptomatic. Symptoms coming from inside. And once you understand your symptoms, oh, I am that. All right. No more. Face it. Tell yourself. As soon as you say, I am not guilty, doesn't mean that you do not face it. You face it. All right. Start the washing of the feet. Face it. All right. Start the washing of the feet. Today, I am sorry, only the virgins can worship me. Only the real virgins can worship me. Little girls, if there are any.